Good morning, everyone. Just going to go over some statistics for Oakville and Burlington only today. I'm going to do Hamilton again tomorrow, but just kind of give you an idea of what's going on in the markets. The screen you're looking at right now is showing the average price of sales in the Oakville and Burlington areas. The top line is Oakville. You can see the average price in Oakville right now for the month of July was 1,071,000. Now that's all properties. I'm going to change that to just single family residential homes. So single average price for a single family home in the city of Oakville was 1,365,000 in July 2020. In Burlington, we broke through the $1 million barrier average price, 1,034,070. And in Burlington, that's a 9.9% increase over last year. I'm sorry, in Burlington, that's an 18.3% increase. And in Oakville, it was a 9.9% increase. So Burlington, you can see that bottom line there. You can see how the prices have stayed steady. And then we've just busted out, back in April, it was 875 was the average price. That was during the highlight or the high part of the COVID-19. And we just steadily went up from there. And now we've busted through that million mark average price. If we look at the new listings, pretty similar, Oakville and Burlington. You can see the charts are definitely, heading up. Listings are definitely going up. Homes for sale, you're seeing a decrease in Burlington quite a bit. You can see that chart, that divergence. Oakville is going up, more listings available, actually 329 available in Oakville, only 169 single homes available at the end of July in Burlington. The number of sales, both markets are definitely up considerably. If you go back here to the March 2017, which was the high of the high, you definitely notice that the market is nowhere near that height yet, but it looks like it's heading that way. We're really turning into a true seller's market right now. Days on the market are considerably down. Burlington is 10 days and Oakville is 15 days on the market. So those numbers are down considerably from last year. We're talking a 50-60% decrease on days on the market since last year. Month supply. So basically, if we had no new listings, we have this much month supply. In Burlington, we have 1.4 months of supply. So if no new listings came out, we'd be sold out of everything in a month, just under a month and a half. In Oakville, it's double. It's 3 months. That goes a lot with price and everything, but still considerably down from the months that we had available back in September or even April last year. It was 4.7 months and 2.8 months. But Burlington's always been a little less. We do have less supply here for sale. Percentage of price that houses are selling for, very close to 100% now. In Burlington, actually is 99.8% of all houses that were sold in July sold an average of 99.8% of the asking price. And in Oakville, it was 97.5%. Percentage of list price, again, that's a similar one. Square footage, this number has really gone up. You can see we're hitting these 2017 numbers. In Oakville, almost the same as 2017 numbers per square foot. Burlington, we've surpassed it considerably. In Burlington, it was $549 a square foot average price. Now Burlington's at $591. So we've surpassed that high from 2017, which was a crazy number. Dollar volume in sales, again, you look back at those numbers in March 2017, Oakville, there was close to $500 billion in real estate sold, 488 million. And last month it was 275. So you're not even close to those numbers. But in Burlington, we're definitely gotten close. It was 286 million, and we're 234 million. So we're coming up close to those 2017 numbers, that peak. So history does repeat itself. You can look at these charts, you get these peaks, and then you get pullbacks on everything. So even on sale price, you don't get as much. You definitely had the 2017 peak and then dropped. But here you get some peaks and pullbacks for a couple months, come back up, you get some new highs, and then some pullbacks. So what does that tell us? And if you look here, since August 2019, we've had a steady increase for a full year now. So we did have a little bit of a drop here but where is it going to head? That's kind of the main thing. So if you have any questions, feel free to DM me. This is just a very general search on single family homes. We can narrow this down to townhouses, condos, semi-detached. We can really even go down to certain neighborhoods, certain size homes, everything. So if you're curious or you want to know what the value is in your specific area, feel free to DM me and I can go over this in detail with any area that you have in mind. Hope that was helpful, and I will definitely let you know the next time we have something posted.